We've been away from the house for about a week, just down in Bangkok catching up with family and friends. And while we were away we had some heavy rain, and it washed away some of the dirt that we've been having trouble with in the corner. So we've just had a guy come in and build a temporary wall to stop the water getting into that back corner and washing away. So now the water should run down and head out through this pipe in the wall. So it'll flood all here, which is normal, and then the release should be out through this pipe out onto the road, which will then head down to the river. So if you've seen previous videos, you'll know that all of this light coloured sand is from our block, and what's happening is the water is leaking out from this corner down here, leaking out from here, running down here, and going down the river, going down to the river here. But what it's done is it's causing the riverbank to collapse. See here, all of this here used to be about a metre higher. So you can see down in here. And there's another washaway just over there. Hopefully that'll fix it until we get the dirt delivered.